This is CPM Precalculus Chapter 2, number 75. So here we're asked to solve for x in this equation, x cubed minus 3x squared minus 10x is equal to 0. So when we're asked to solve for x, we basically are going to look at this equation and we can factor it. Okay, so when we factor it, what does each term have in common? Well, each one has an x. When I divide x out of x cubed, I'm left with x squared. When I divide 3x squared out x into that, I'm left with just 3x, right? Because we have two of them, so we take one out. We take one out from 10x, and we're just left with 10. Okay. Then let's factor this. Okay, can we factor this right here? Well, yes, we can. Okay, and we can use the x method, or if you wanted, you could use the quadratic formula. The x method to factor basically asks us to look at this term here and what numbers can we add to get negative 10 and what numbers can we multiply to get negative 10 and add to get negative 3. Add to get negative 3. Okay? So what numbers can you multiply to get negative 10? Well, 1 and 10, right? Or 1 and negative 10, negative 1 and positive 10. Those won't add to get negative 3, but 2 and negative 5 will. Okay, so you're just looking for combinations, and these multiply to get negative 10 and add to get negative 3. Okay, so that's going to make this turn into x plus 2, because this is a positive 2. You could even write plus there. X plus 2 times x minus 5. And it's still equal to 0. All right, so this now can be broken up. Since this is equal to 0, only when it's equal to 0, we can break it up and say, well, if we're multiplying these three terms, right, we're multiplying them, we can say either, if this is equal to 0, that means either x is equal to 0, right, this term, or x plus 2 is equal to 0, that's this term, or x minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, we can just split it up like that. X equals to 0 is one possibility. Subtract 2 from both sides, that gives us x is equal to negative 2. That's another possibility. Okay, these are connected by or. Add 5 to both sides, x is equal to 5 is the last possibility. Okay? Remember, these are connected by ors, and we are done with CPM Precalculus Chapter 2, number 75.